A very good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to EBS class, all the children. Okay? Okay. Are you ready for the class? Shall I start the class, Nana? Okay, very good. So now I'm going to give hard words today. Okay? Hard words I am giving now. So what are which lesson from the food we eat lesson? Hard words today I will give. Okay, already lesson completed. What are sources of food completed? And next one, nutrients I explained you. And I taught food from plants and food from animals and balanced diet, cultural diversity in food I explained. Okay, now I'm going to give hard words. Okay, all are on your videos. You must on your videos. Your in-charge teacher will take attendance. Akanepalli Ritika, Arihi, Bodige Harish, Charan Tej, Kambapati, Harshad. All are on your videos, Amma. Okay, your in-charge teacher will take attendance. Did you understand all the children on your video? Okay. So listen carefully. From 6th lesson, the food we eat. I will give hard words. The food we eat. So all take out of your running notes. Take a pencil or pen. Okay, write fast children and write neatly. And always first letter starts with capital. Okay? Difficult words. Difficult words. Write neatly all the children. Difficult words. Sources. Sources. Next, nutrients. Nutrients. Okay, nutrients. And next one, right? Balanced. Write neatly all are. Write in your running notes. Okay, balanced. 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 And write next one, energy. 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 Continuously. 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 Okay, children? And next write work. 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 Write next one, healthy. Write neatly, children. Always first letter starts with capital letter. Parne Harshit. Look at the board. On your videos, all are. Okay. Work. Next one, write protects. 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 Okay. Next, write diseases. 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 Okay. Next, write different. Different. Write neatly all of different. Don't write spelling mistakes. Write properly all of. Okay. Different. Next. Okay, write next one. On your video, Sama. On your video, Sri Vidya, Rampaka Sai Dikshit, Rajput Ishwar. On your video, Aruhi. I did not see your face. Sai Dikshit, Aruhi, and Sakshi. Okay. Ready? Different. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different. Next. Right next one. Vegetable. 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 Mustard. 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 Okay. Next, right. Groundnut. 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 Okay. Okay, next. Provide. 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 P-R-O-V-I-D-E. Provide. Okay. Next. Warmth. 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 And right next one, spices. 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 Okay. And right next one, flavor. 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 Okay. Flavor. And next write aroma. Aroma. Okay. And write next one, coffee beans. Coffee beans. Coffee beans. Coffee beans. B-E-A-N-S. Coffee beans. Okay, children. Next one, right? Dairy. D-A-I-R-Y. Dairy. Dairy. Okay. And right next one, turmeric. 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 Desert. Okay. Next, write products. Products. Piano. Ducts. Products. Okay. Products. And next one, write calcium. 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 Cheese. Cheese. Butter. Butter. Third. Third. Capital letter. Starting letter, write capital letter. Next, write proteins. Next, write proteins. 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 Okay, flesh. Next, write children. Flesh. F-L-E-S-H. Flesh. Flesh. Smooth. Next one, right? Smooth. 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 Okay. Next, write obtained. 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 Okay. And write next one. Products. Products are already completed, no products. So write next vegetarians. Vegetarians. Write spellings correctly, children. Spellings write correctly. Vegetarians. Non-vegetarians. Next, vegans. Okay, vegans. Vegans. And next one, sweetener. Right, next one, Anna. Sweetener. Sweetener is W-E-E-T-N-E-R. Sweetener. Sweetener. Okay. And right next one, trot. Trot. T-H-R-O-T. Trot. Trot. Next, write antiseptic. Antiseptic. A-N-T-I-S-E-P-T-I-C. Antiseptic. Antiseptic. Here no need that. Antiseptic. Antiseptic. Okay, children. Right, next one, prawns. Last one. And still tomorrow I will give remaining words. Okay. Tomorrow also is there hard words only. Okay, these are only 37, 38, 39 hard words. Okay, tomorrow remaining hard words tomorrow I will give. Antiseptic. And next one, write the prawns. prawns, lobsters, lobster, lobster. Okay, children. Once again, order, stop writing and look at the board once you are reading. Aruhi, Yashasvi, Charantej. I did not see your faces, Sama. Look at the board. Many times I remind you are not sitting in one place properly. Sit in one place. Yashasvi, on your video. I cannot see your face. Okay? So look at the board. All the children stop writing. All are show me your fingers. Sham Charan, yeah. Hold your hands. So once I am reading, 2 times I am reading. First time I am reading, you listen. And second time you read with me. Okay? Are you ready? Are you ready? I can see your heads. Okay, children? Yeah, look at the board all up. Okay? See all up. So what is your doubt? Harika, Kacham Harika. Unmute girl. What is your doubt?
Teacher, pics and to me, teacher. Pics and to me, teacher. I'm writing, teacher, but pics and teacher.
Pick in group. Okay. Now those who are not completed, I will send pick children. Okay. Those who are not completed, I will send pick in your group. Okay. Yeah. See, listen carefully and read all the children. First one, from which lesson hard words? These all are 6th lesson hard words. What is the lesson name? The food we eat. What is the lesson name, children? Akinepalli Ritika, you are not reading. What is the lesson name? Very good. The food we eat. So read first. Sources. Sources. Rumeza, not reading. Nutrients. Nutrients. Vaishnavi, stop writing. I said no. Akla Vaishnavi, pull your hands. Look at the board. Nutrients. Balanced. Energy. Energy. Continuously. Slowly. Continuously. Work. Work. Protects. Protects. Diseases. Diseases. Different. Karne Harshit, on your video. Karne Pranit ready. Different. Vegetable. Vegetable. Groundnut. Mustard. 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 Groundnut. Groundnut. Provide. Provide. Warmth. Warmth. Spices. Spices. Flavor. Flavor. Balika Shruti, you are not reading. Sadhya, Balika Shruti, and Sakshi. Okay, flavor. Aroma. Aroma. Coffee beans. Coffee beans. Dairy. Dairy. Turmeric. Turmeric. Dessert. Dessert. Products. Products. Calcium. Calcium. Cheese. Cheese. Very good, Kanishka, Sai Dikshit. Very good, Nana. Next, butter. Butter. Butter, want butter. Curd. Curd. Proteins. Proteins. Flesh. 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 Smooths. 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 Obtained. obtained, vegetarians, vegetarians, non-vegetarians, non-vegetarian. Sadia, what happened? Sadia, Sadia, look at the board. Non-vegetarians, vegans, vegans, sweetener, sweetener, throat, throat, antiseptic, antiseptic. Channoju Bhavana, read. Antiseptic, lobster, lobster, lobster. Once again I am reading, children, fastly read all are. Bakuri Manisha, late added. Once again read all are. Sources, nutrients, balanced, energy, continuously, work, protects, diseases, different, vegetable, mustard, groundnut, provide, warmth, spices, flavor, aroma, coffee beans, dairy, dairy, turmeric, Srividya not reading, turmeric, dessert, products, calcium, cheese, butter, curd, proteins, flesh, smooth, obtained, vegetarians, non-vegetarians, vegans, sweetener, throat, antiseptic, lobster. Okay, these all are the sixth lesson adverbs. Sixth lesson is the food we eat. Okay, the food we eat adverbs, and tomorrow also I will give this lesson adverbs only. Okay, once I will explain what is that worksheet. Okay, now I am going to explain worksheet, children. Okay, this is a worksheet. Okay, so when you complete this day 1 and day 2, you must take this worksheet, all the children. Okay, it is very useful to you. Okay, so you must complete your worksheet. Already we sent in group. Okay, when you have completed this, all already we sent in group. So all the children, you must complete your worksheet, and day 1, day 2. Okay, dates also be given. So when you are all the children, you must come to school and take this worksheet. So you first pay online fees. Pay online fees and take this worksheet, all the children. It is very useful to you. Okay. And next one. And see, Maheshwaram Bharat here only, and you are telling okay, teacher. Okay. And next, see, day 1. See, you have a science and social. I said no. Science and social is there. So you see this science day 1. Here given some of the hard words, children. Science day 1 here given hard words. Okay, I will send this one in audio record. I will send. Okay, you learn these hard words and you write missing letters. Did you understand? All the children. Okay, you must write this. So when you complete this, you read the given words here given. So you learn these hard words, and afterwards only you fill the missing letters. So these are practice. And next is social. Day 1. Day 1 social, children. Read the following words. Same. Here also given some other hard words. Okay. You learn these hard words and complete missing letters. Okay. This is day 1. And next one, day 2. You must come to school and take this worksheet, children. Pay online fees and take this worksheet. Yeah, what is your doubt, Amma? Unmute girl first. Unmute on your mobile. What is your doubt? Unmute, girl. What is your doubt? Unmute. Okay, children. Next, see day 2. Day 2 is science again here given about the digestive system. You read this passage, you read this paragraph, and here given question. Okay? So this is not third class. Third class is fourth class. Okay, children, that is your worksheet. If you have any doubts on the worksheet, you call your subject teachers. Okay? Okay, children. Thank you all the children. And still, if you have any doubts on this hard words, raise your hand on your mobile. Yeah, what is your doubt? You are not unmute, girl. No doubts. Why are you raised your hand, Aruhi? Okay, children. Thank you. And tomorrow also I will give hard words. You must come to school and take this workbook. Okay, children. Thank you.